In this tutorial, I just wanted to spend a couple of minutes talking about the spill error in Microsoft Excel. What is it, what causes it, and how you can fix it. So, the spill error in Excel is something that you will run into whenever you're working with some of Excel's newer dynamic array functions that returns an array of values versus just a single value, such as group by, sort, unique, pivot by, and so on and so forth. And it's Excel's ways of saying, hey, there's something in the way that is making it to where it can't spill the full array of values, whether it be merged cells or just a value that's in the way. Now, as you can see, it doesn't look like there's anything in the way, but one of these cells has a space in it that isn't necessarily visibly obvious. The cleanest way that you can fix this function is to remove the values that are surrounding the error. So I'm just going to highlight this range, click delete. And as you can see, the space that was in one of the cells was removed, and now the function is spilling. Also, check for merge cells. So if this cell is merged, for example, Alt HMC, it's not going to spill properly because it is merged. The easiest way that you can check for this is to just press down your shift and then hold the down arrow. And as you can see, you can tell there's a merge cell somewhere because it goes from one column to multiple columns. And you can see, oh dang, there's a merge cell. And you can unmerge the cell by pressing Alt H M C, and now the cell is not merged anymore. The formatting is kind of weird for some reason. That said, I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.